In our industry, things can get pretty competitive. Who will be the first to build the latest and greatest technological solutions? Who will win the market share? At Veeam, it's not about competing with each other. It's about bringing daring thought leaders to the table together. When reaching towards our goals, we reach as a team. We will be the #1 global leader in cloud data management. With diverse, creative, unique, original, hungry, humble, and smart individuals, everything and anything is possible. As a company proud to embrace the power of people, the power of Veeamers, we will always put togetherness first. By mentoring each other and listening to cross-functional and cross-border opinions, business practices, and ideas, our future continues to shine bright. Our inclusivity brings a richness to Veeam. Our bold and diverse thinking inspires innovative and iterative solutions. Our positivity and energy give us our differential edge. And our commitment to each other gives us a unique position of strength that no other company can match. All of you are unique, but together we're distinctly Veeam.